Hi, my name is John, and I'm here with.
My name is Ibrahim from Uganda, the current national barista champion of Uganda and the new Africa barista champion, and I'm a processing manager working with Mountain Harvest.
Yeah, with Mountain Harvest, Mr. Ibrahim, what do you think is the current and the future of African coffee?
Well, the future of African coffee is now getting bigger. When
Yeah,
you look at now, producers have started now understanding the raw material itself, how
yeah,
to handle it,
yeah,
systems, and of course the market itself outside the global market.
yeah. So in terms of the certifications that you have gotten, what advice do you really like give to the upcoming baristas and people within the value chain? You have the kappas, sensory, yeah,
The advice that I would give one from the producer,
yeah,
we need to understand the raw material itself and how best we can export the raw material in each and everywhere we can. Then second, to of course the processing itself,
yeah,
you need to understand how can you process the coffee so at least you have consistency,
yeah,
you have traceability, and also of course the quality which drives everything. Then the other thing now to sales, of course you have to produce what you can sell. What
yeah.
you
That's
cannot
true.
sell you don't have to, so at least it's more sustainable for the business and
Yeah,
for the coffee community as well.
yeah,
Then to the roaster, quality controller, the barista, as long as you understand where the coffee is coming from, its
yeah,
identity, its
yes,
potential, it's very easy for you now to play around with the brewing recipes, the story behind the coffee, how you're going to roast it, how you cup it, how
yeah,
you communicate with the coffee sensory wise, and how you present the coffee now to the community. And that's why we are here at the barista competitions. How
yeah,
best can you represent the producer? How best can you represent the roaster? How best can you present the soils, the environment, the variety, and of course yourself to the
yeah.
judges?
Well, so as Sumseron CEO, Mr. John Seronei, we get a lot of inquiries from some of our suppliers. They're asking, is there a market if we go the anaerobic, diaerobic, the black honey? Is there a market or so? What advice do you give
Yeah,
to
of course, as a
producers?
processing expert,
Yeah.
before you go in for a different kind of process, maybe advanced from the traditions, you have to
Okay.
first know the type of market that you're dealing with.
Oh,
For
sure,
example, if
sure.
you're dealing like with the Asian or
Yeah.
the Middle East kind of
Yes.
thing, understand their market, then later you can now produce what fits their market. For example, the anaerobics,
Yeah.
because I realized that they really like those more exotic,
Mm-hmm.
uh, exciting flavor profiles. So you can try to create a coffee that fits their market. If you go onto the other side of the Europe,
Yeah.
America, they always want like something traditional, something
Yeah.
consistent,
Yeah.
straightforward, an average coffee, but very, very, very clean.
Yeah.
And that's why now you have the wash, the honeys, and the naturals. But of course, as a producer, try to at least diversify from what you have, because a coffee can really communicate to us much more than what we can expect from it. Depends on
Yeah.
how you're going to handle it from the farm, quality from the cherry to processing, the type of water that you're using for fermentation, how controlled the fermentation is, the drying itself, the storage, of course the cupping and the marketing and exportation.
Yeah. So viewers, you have heard from the expert himself, and I believe the future is innovation in coffee, and we move to the current trends. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right.